Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your profile private on Pinterest using your PC with the new update. If you want to limit who can see your pins or control your online presence, this step-by-step guide will help you customize your privacy settings effortlessly. So, let's get started. First, open Pinterest on your PC. Go to Pinterest.com and log in with your email and password if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look to the bottom left of your screen. You'll find a gear icon there. Click on it. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can adjust various aspects of your Pinterest account. In the Settings menu, look for Profile Visibility and click on it. Here, you'll find the option to control who can see your profile. In the center pane, you'll see the Private Profile option. Simply toggle the switch to enable it. When your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers, and following lists. A warning box might appear, asking you to review your followers. You can choose to click Not Now or Review. Either way, your profile will be set to private. Keep in mind that if you're under 13, Pinterest might restrict your account's visibility due to age restrictions. As of the latest update, only users 13 or older are allowed to create public accounts. If your account is private, your pins and boards are, by default, in secret mode. To make your boards and pins visible, go to your home page and select the board you want to make public. Click on the three dots and then click Edit Board. In the settings, find the option Keep this board secret and untick it to save the settings. That's it. You've successfully made your Pinterest profile private. This is a great way to control who sees your content and safeguard your privacy on the platform. Thanks for watching.